Yeah, hi there. Good afternoon, good morning, good evening. Welcome to the old Mr. Boggy's YouTube channel. Today, I know I said I wouldn't do any more of this, but there's my son taking the piss. Unfortunately, I'm going to have to do a bit more of this. One of my sons has brought his Golf Type R. No, sorry, not Type R. R line, or he's brought it up here to clean because it's absolutely filthy. I'm going to do a quick walk round with it. It's not a Golf R, it's a Golf R line. So it's a 1.5 Golf TSI thing, and it's got the basically it's got all the bolt-on bits on it. Anyway, I'll show you it. You carry on, sir. You've got the right of way. Don't worry about me. Okay. There's the older. Yeah, allegedly he assures me that he actually cleaned it last Saturday, and when he says cleaned it, he did tell me that he did a proper clean. But unfortunately, like most kids his age, only 22, his proper job and my proper job are to some extent quite different. So anyway, there we go. It's not too bad actually, considering there's the older M2. Got to crack on with that one in a minute. Say hello, Lewis.
Telling loads of lies about how you want to be my fault.
He actually did some carbon wind mirrors on there as well. So it's not too bad actually, Lewis. Yeah, it doesn't look too bad at all. So anyway, let's snow foam it. Yeah, make a cup of tea, son.
That's what I'm
Stop wearing tight jeans, you look like a fool. Yeah, I'm sorry, it's an R line. There we go, look, you know. Nice little car. Yeah, anyway, thank you. You'll see the details of the clean, okay? This is after quick pre-rinse, and then the detailed online cherry scented snow foam. Jesus, there's a lot of it. I've thrown quite a lot at it, if I'm honest with you. I'm going to let that sit on there for between 5 to 15 minutes just to properly soak in. I'll get on and just rinse this off quickly and get this done first, because this is done every week anyway. Okay, here's the kind of the finished article anyway. It's been snow foamed. Obviously it's been pre-washed with the lance prior to the actual snow foam, and it's been snow foamed, as I said, with the cherry detailed online snow foam, left to soak for about be honest, it was about 25-30 minutes, quite a long time. So it was really quite ground in dirt. And then I've again lanced the car off with the old Milfisk jet washer, and then the wheels were done with bit hammer wheel cleaner. I'll be honest with you, there's quite a lot of wheel rash on that one there, and he's damaged the tyre as well. Than what he's hit. I think he's hit a curb or something to fall, but we're going to get them painted black. So yeah, it's not a bad job, but if I'm honest with you, it wasn't great. It's getting quite dark. It's only 3:15, but there's a lot of condensation in the air. So no matter what you do with the old towels, it's not taking all the moisture off the car, unfortunately. And it's too late now to detail the inside or to do the inside. I'm quite pleased with the results, to be honest with you. So Lewis has got to pay for boxing tonight. Otherwise I'll have to get gloved up, get my mouth guard in, and take on all comers, as they say. I don't mind a bit of rough and tumble, so it's all good fun. Anyway, I hope you enjoy. Makes a change from me detailing or cleaning my own cars. But you know, just as a quick, I did detail mine, but I did clean mine as well. Yeah. Anyway, hope you enjoy. Cheers.